How to change avatar in PUBG. Hi everyone, welcome back to Gameplay Classic. In this video, we are going to be learning how you can easily change your profile avatar in the PUBG application. To change your avatar in PUBG, launch the PUBG Mobile game on your device and from the main lobby, go to the top left corner and tap on your current avatar. Once you're inside your avatar page, go ahead and click on your avatar once again and click on Change Avatar. Now select an avatar you want to change to from the menu. And once you find the correct avatar for yourself, you can click on Use at the bottom left. If you want to use your own photo, then make sure that you have linked PUBG Mobile with Facebook account, and whichever profile picture you have for your Facebook account will be used in your PUBG account as well. So that is how you can change your avatar in PUBG Mobile. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Stay tuned till then.